if this was a catch, this is a clean shot.
Yeah.
Clean shot for Gary Trent, who is one of the better three-point shooters.
He had 4 3-pointers in the
exactly.
fourth quarter.
Exactly.
33 points.
So, this shot could have extended the series. Ang layo ng help side defender.
Wala.
Ang layo. So, that's more than 18 feet to close out underneath the
And it could have been any other, like if he started even attacking, it would have created more. In other words, he was positioned to win this game.
1, 2, 3. Sino yung in-inboundan? 4 guys. That's a wide open shot. 4 on 1. 1, 2. Baka may isang tao pa sa corner. Let's run that play. Laging malilibre. Pero ito, it was an easy, clean shot. Ito lang yung gusto mong
Actually,
makuha.
pwede niya na hawakan yung ball na fa-foul kasi yung Pacers lamang sila 1 point. And so, talagang it happens to the best of us.
Clean shot could have extended the series, but at the end of the day, ganun talaga. Hindi na hawakan ng maigi.